Okay, update time. As you can see, I have my new coupler on there with the safety chains all installed. What needs to happen next up front, and I really hope it fits, is this wheel jack. It's big, and I don't have a whole lot of room there, so it could be a little bit tight. I also wanted to show you the this is my box for testing trailer lights now that I built. It's a little project box. You can plug 7-pin in here, and there's the 4-pin plug. This trailer is plugged in right now. So let's just show you here. You can turn on the tail lights, which puts on the marker lights. And I got my tail lights today, so I installed them. There we go. We got a license plate light, side marker lights, and tail lights all together here. So yeah, nice, eh? The aluminum panel. That's all that's going to be back here, except for on that side there'll be a license plate. Yeah, the license plate can go on the bottom here. That's it. No other fanciness. No other fancy lights or anything like that. And these take the place of having extra wiring and extra lights. So that's why I chose them. Plus, they're really thin. Normally when you get this style of light, they're pretty thick. So, again, something bumps against here. The lights are at least a little bit protected anyways. So there you go. That's my box here. Let's just try left turn light. Turn it on. And that's the turn signal, by the way. So none of these other lights will light up. But there you go. Very bright. These are nice lights. They were, what, about $24 for the set. Anyways, I just thought I'd show you my little box. I have to hook it up to a battery, but that's okay. I could take these two items out to, say, the award trailer, and I could see if any of the clearance lights don't work. As for any trailer, actually. So, and if it's wired correctly or not. Anyways, there we go. Just a bit of an update.